This is a quick setup for a 3-minute strategy for binary option trading. We will use the super trend indicator with multiplier set to 1 and the period set to 14 with added line thickness. We will combine it with the stochastic oscillator with the following settings: the overbought level 80 and the oversold level 20, moving average type WMA with added line thickness. Do subscribe and like the video. Let's get to how the strategy works. Here is the first entry for sell trades this session, and here are the entry conditions. When the super trend indicator goes above the 1-minute candles and the stochastic oscillator is above the overbought line and starting to go downward, then you take sell trades. For buy trades, you wait for the candles to go above the super trend line and the stochastic oscillator should be leaving the oversold level upward, then you take buy trades with 3-minute expiry time. Let's wait for the sell trades to expire. One trade did closed with no profit and 2 with profit. Great. Here is another sell entry for 3-minute trades.